If you want to use Pro mode in camera on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we can open the camera app. Now once we open the camera app, in order to find the dedicated Pro mode, we need to go all the way to More over here, and then we can choose Expert. So instead of using the Pro name, Nothing decided to use Expert instead, but generally speaking it is pretty much the same thing. As you can see, we have access to all of these standard parameters that we can easily adjust while being in the Expert mode. So here it is once again the Expert mode. Now if you are not sure what these parameters do, then let me just try to quickly explain. So first we have EV, which is exposure, and this slider allows you to quickly adjust the overall brightness of your image. So you can move to the right or to the left to quickly adjust the brightness of the photo. You can make it lighter or darker. You can tap on this circle with arrow in order to reset and set the exposure value to 0. Now in here we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but if you use too high ISO, then you can add grain or noise as a result to your photos. And here we can move left and right in order to, of course, manually adjust the ISO, and if we use the reset button, we set it to automatic. Then we have the shutter speed, or S, which decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion as a result. And fast speeds freeze action. So we can move to the left and right, of course, in order to adjust it, just like before with the ISO. And here we can also set it to automatic by resetting or by using the reset button. WB is white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. If we move to the left, we use cooler colors, or more like a bluish filter. And if we move to the right side, then we use warmer colors or orange-ish. And of course, we can also set it to 0. And then we have AF, which is generally speaking focus. A, of course, stands for automatic. And it allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo. So of course we can move to the left in order to focus on smaller subjects, and then to the right in order to focus on pretty much everything on the picture. And as you can see, it also can be set to automatic. So all of these parameters except for exposure can be set to automatic. And that's pretty much all that we have here in the photo mode. What is also worth mentioning is that in the standard photo mode, we have the tuning section, which is not maybe exactly the same as the Pro mode, but here we have access to many various parameters as well. Like for example, we can adjust the contrast, the saturation, warmth, tint, sharpen, grain, and vignette. Or vignette. And yeah, so be sure to check that out as well if you are curious if you can create or make great photos with these parameters. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.